Cloe. It sure is a nice day to play with our wonderful Nintendo Wii. I know it is, Jade. Anyways, let's get some drink.
I'm going to break Cloe and Jade's alarm clock. Yay. I broke Cloe and Jade's alarm clock.
Stephanie. What have you done to our alarm clock?
I broke it.
Oh my god. Stephanie. How dare you broke our alarm clock? That's it. Go home right now and we are going to call your parents about this.
Back at home. Stephanie. How dare you break Cloe and Jade's alarm clock? That's it. You're grounded for 950 months. Go to your room right now.